County in south central Arizona until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morristown. This includes the following highways: Bus Highway 60 between mile markers 113 and 121. Arizona Route 74 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes the following streams and drainages: Trilby Wash, Pausanias River, Little San Domingo Wash, Tub Spring Wash, Monarch Wash, Ox Wash, and San Domingo Wash. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. The National Weather Service